Hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to talk about the introduction to medicinal chemistry. As we see, medicinal chemistry is best defined as interdisciplinary research area incorporating different branches of chemistry and biology in the research for better and new drugs. In other words, it is the science which deals with the discovery and design of new and better therapeutic chemicals and development of these chemicals into new medicines and drugs. And what about the WHO's definition? Medicinal chemistry is the science which deals with the synthesis, chemistry of mode of action, chemical assay of drug substance. Medicinal chemistry is a chemistry-based discipline involving aspects of biological, medical, and pharmaceutical sciences. It is concerned with the invention, discovery, design, identification, and preparation of biologically active compounds, the study of their metabolism, the interpretation of their mode of action at the molecular level, and the construction of structure-activity relationships. In particular, medicinal chemistry also involves the discovery of new chemical entities for the treatment of disease and the systematic study of the structure-activity relationship of the active compounds. Such studies provide the basis for development of better medicinal agents from lead compounds found via random screening, systematic screening, and rational design. 95% of the drug substance are organic compounds. Drugs is the substance presented for treating, curing, or preventing disease in human beings or in animals. It may also be used for making a medical diagnosis or for restoring, correcting, or modifying physiological functions. Drug classification. Pure organic compounds are the chief source of agents for the cure, mitigation, and or the prevention of disease. These remedial agents could be classified according to their origin, and some are natural compounds like vitamins, hormones, amino acids, antibiotics, alkaloids, and glycosides. Some are synthetic compounds, either pure synthesis or synthesis naturally occurring compounds, morphine, caffeine, steroid, and cocaine. Semi-synthetic compounds. These compounds cannot be purely synthesized and cannot be isolated from natural sources in low cost. Therefore, the natural intermediates of such drugs could be used for the synthesis of a desired product, like some compounds which are present as intermediate in the natural resources, but it is some slight modification to become a drugs. And another classification, there is no real classification of drugs. It is very difficult to classify the drugs depending upon their pharmacological activity. It is very unwise. Then it can be better to arrange according to their medicinal use. It is two main types: pharmacodynamic agents, drugs which can act on physiological functions of the body, and the other one is chemotherapeutic, drugs which are used to fight pathogenic, like antibiotics, anti-malaria, anti-cancer, antiviral, so and so. Physicochemical properties in relation to biological action. Drugs action results from the interaction of drug molecules with either normal or abnormal physiological process. Drugs normally interact with targets, which they are proteins, enzymes, cell lipids, or pieces of DNA or RNA. The ability of a chemical compound to elicit a pharmacologic therapeutic effect is related to the influence of its various physical and chemical properties. The most pharmacologically influential physicochemical properties of organic medicinal agents, OMS, here we can term as OMS, organic medicinal agents, are solubility, acidity and basicity, and reactivity.